What if instead of guessing trades, you had an AI that could break down your entire chart like a professional analyst in seconds? Not just signals, but real reasoning behind every trade. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Google Gemini to analyze my charts and generate complete trade setups, and how you can use the exact same method. So here's what I do. I open my chart and take a clean screenshot. Let's start with ETHUSD on the 5-minute time frame. Then I go to Gemini, paste my custom analysis prompt, and fill in the pair as ETHUSD and the time frame as 5 minutes. After that, I upload the chart screenshot and hit enter. Within seconds, it gives a full breakdown of the market. It identifies the trend, maps market structure, highlights liquidity zones, and even detects smart money concepts like order blocks and fair value gaps. But here's the key part. It doesn't just analyze, it gives actual trade setups. You'll see both buy and sell scenarios, but one usually has stronger confirmation and higher probability. That's the one I focus on. So I follow that setup, place the trade based on the suggested entry, stop loss, and take profit, and you can see how the trade plays out. Now let's move to another market, this time Nasdaq on the 1-minute time frame. Same exact process. Take a screenshot of the chart, go to Gemini, paste the prompt, insert Nasdaq in 1M time frame, upload the image, and run it. Again, it gives a complete breakdown. Structure, momentum, liquidity, everything clearly mapped out along with trade setups. I pick the setup with the best confirmation and risk to reward, enter the trade, and once again, the move plays out cleanly. Now, this doesn't mean every trade will win, but what this does is remove random guessing and gives you a structured way to approach the market. If you want the exact Gemini prompt I'm using, I've added it in a Google Doc in the description. Just copy it, paste it into Gemini, upload your chart screenshot, and insert your pair and time frame. It works across crypto, indices, forex, and more on any time frame. Just make sure you backtest properly and always manage your risk. Don't rely blindly on AI. Use it as a tool and combine it with your own analysis. That's where the real edge comes from.